The easiest and safest way to look at the eclipse is to get a pair of these. But maybe you're feeling a little crafty. There are lots of different ways to view an eclipse without looking directly into the sky. I'm going to show you one way to do that right now. You will need one empty cereal box, a piece of printer paper, a pencil, some masking tape or scotch tape, some foil, and a pair of scissors. First thing you're going to do is trace the bottom of your cereal box onto this piece of paper with a pencil, just like that. Then you will use the scissors and cut out that shape. Once you have this piece of paper, you're going to open your cereal box and put the paper on the inside so that it's on the bottom. Next step is to take your scissors and cut 2 rectangles into the top of your box. It's a little hard to cut it while it's closed, so I'm just going to cut the tabs off of the top. Be very careful. I'm cutting about maybe an inch or so away from the side of the box, just like that. So now when I close the top of the box, I should have 2 rectangular holes in the top. The next step is to take a piece of foil and put it over one side, one of the rectangles that you made. Then we'll use a piece of tape to hold it in place. Put it like that so it won't fly off in the wind. Now, with your pencil, you're going to make a tiny hole in the top of the foil very carefully, not too big. You can also use a push pin or a mechanical pencil or a safety pin or a paper clip. Whatever you have around works great. Toothpicks work great too. Now we have a pinhole in the top of our foil. The cool thing is that this works kind of like your eye does. Light enters a very small hole like our pupil and hits the back of the box, which is kind of like how our retina works. The cool thing is that because this box doesn't have a brain to flip the image around, what you see will actually be upside down. To use your solar eclipse viewer, you're going to need to turn the foil side with the pinhole toward the sun and look in through this hole, like this. You should be able to see a bright dot appear on the back side of the box where we put that white paper. Well, that's cool. I made a dot. When the eclipse happens, you'll be able to see the shadow of the moon go over that dot just like it would look like if you were looking at the sun. Remember to never look directly into the sun unless you're wearing a specialized pair of glasses like these. Ooh,